Hello, I'm Adam, and today we will talk about Eachine EV800 FPV goggles. So let's check what you will find in the box. In the box you get this bag, and it's pretty useful because you can carry your goggles there. And next we've got a cleaning cloth to clean the glass, and we've got connectors. There is two battery and two charge connector. It's for 2S, I think. It's 2S connector. Then next we've got USB cable to DC jack. It's there is DC jack, and next we've got wall adapter. It comes with Chinese plug, and it's 5 volts to amps, so it's pretty okay. It's good. So it's good. Okay, now let's go with the goggles. In the new versions, goggles comes with this clover antenna. And that's good because previous versions came with standard antennas like in the routers. Then we've got sponge, and it's really comfortable now. And okay, the main feature of these goggles is that now we've got goggles, but it can be transferred to LCD screen, and still we've got a mount for the tripod. And okay, let's start from the powering it on, and let's check the options. To power it on, you have to hold the button for about 3 or 5 seconds, and there we go. And it will remember your last channel and band. And on the build OSD we can see there is a signal strength and the battery. There is no way to hide it, so you need to configure your Betaflight OSD to don't cover this. And let's go to buttons. A search button is something like auto search, and there is a button for menu, and there we enter to EV mode. It's for this plug. We can plug the video in jack, and it can be like standard LCD, but I don't know why. I didn't find any usage of this. Anyway, after we back to menu, generally can stay there. And when you hold the menu button, the menu shows, and by pressing menu button you can change the settings. And if you want to change the values, you have to press channel or band. And this works exactly same. So these buttons are doublet, I don't know why. Okay, menu to I can exit, and okay. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. Bye.